Hey y'all, it is Damon here from Deco Exchange. Y'all, tonight we're gonna make a cute little bunny head. So we're using this bunny face from Deco Exchange. Look how cute. And we're gonna attach it to our wreath. Get our mesh on here and be good to go. All right, so we actually have two ways that we can attach this. Way number one is to take our little bunny head and take a metal hole punch. And we're gonna put one hole on all four sides, real close to the edge. If you don't have a metal hole punch, you can just use the mounting squares. It fits like perfect in this circle. I'm gonna just attach a pipe cleaner around the edges so that I don't have to worry about it. So pipe cleaner through the little hole that we just punched. Y'all, I don't like doing a hole in the edge if the outside's gonna be seen. But in this case, the hole's gonna be hidden, so it doesn't matter. All right, so let's finish attaching this. All right, I'm gonna bend those around the back. All right, y'all, now we'll get our mesh added, and then we'll add our little bunny ears, and then we'll add a bow at the bottom, potentially, we'll see. All right, let's get these layered so we can cut them. So I'm thinking we're gonna cut these at 10 inches. Let's just do 10 inches. And then we'll need 10 cuts. So we've got our three colors. So we're just gonna take them, do our little curl, layer them up. All right. So I want more pink on the base than I do on the top layer. So we're just gonna do 2 pink curls and 1 white curl. Y'all, and I'm not gonna put them in any certain pattern. One thing to remember about your curls is you just don't want them too tight. If they look like a taquita instead of a burrito, it's too much. All right, y'all, on the top, I wanna get more white than pink. So let's try adding in a little ruffle here. On our ruffles, we like to curl some of the ends on both sides in, right? Get it looking like a scroll, and then just scrunch it right down the middle to make it look like a little noodle thing. It reminds me of a bow tie pasta. All right, let's see. That might be okay. It doesn't cover too much of the face. So let's do 8 of those. All right, so these are gonna be anywhere between 19 and 20 inches. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to be done. All right, so we're curling up our edges like a little scroll and doing our little ruffle in the middle. Now I like to put mine where the side that looks like a pasta flat down and then the curls on the top. I think it gives it more dimension and texture that way. Y'all, I think we're gonna come back and put one pink curl in the center of all of these, potentially. We'll see. Most of the bunny's face is white, but he's got the pink accent. So I wanted to do white and on the outside have a little bit of the pink accent, right? But now that I'm looking at it, it's a lot of white. It's a lot. So let's see what it would look like if we put one 10-inch curl around the face. Just to give it a little pink accent. I think I like it. So we need 7 more. All right, so we're just gonna add our one single curl all the way around. Just the solid white was a little harsh for me. All right, the other thing that I like to do on these is make sure that I push all the mesh backwards. It needed a little bit more pink. Get you some bunny ears from Walmart. They're like on headbands and stuff, right? Just get them, and then you can zip tie that headband right into your wreath. So I'm just gonna add his little ears right up here. So y'all, now I've got a bunny butt with no ears. All right, so I'm gonna put the ears at an angle with the eye so that I make sure they're both even. And all I'm doing is taking the wire that was on the ears and wrapping it around the frame. All right, let's get the other ear in, right? So I'm gonna do the same thing, even with her eyeball. All I'm doing is wrapping it around the frame. So here's the wire from the ear. This is the frame of the wreath. All we're doing is wrapping it around. All right, I also want to add a bow down here just because I like bows, right? So let's make a bow. So I like to use this either as the whole bow or on the base of a bow. This is one of those mesh that if I have it at Christmas, this is what I'll use as the bonus gift when I ship out wreaths. So I'm just gonna do 2 loops of each. making each loop slightly smaller. Y'all, and then we've got this little 1.5, or sorry, is it 7/8 or 5/8? 5/8. As a little center loop. All right, so there is our little bow. We're gonna get this added right down here. So I'm gonna do mine off to the side a little bit so that it doesn't look like a bow tie and looks more like an accent piece. All right, y'all, we're just getting this twisted on to the frame. All right, let's get this bow pulled up. All right, I'm gonna just cut my ribbons all at an angle. Different lengths. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm gonna get some pictures of this one and head home for the night.